Due to recent market volatility and the events taking place around the world, I thought I'd take an opportunity to reiterate, explain our investment philosophy here at ARC and how we manage our clients' hard earned dollars. Similar to the financial plan that we work with our clients to create and to update on an ongoing basis based on their changing needs and circumstances, over time, we also have a toolbox that we use in managing our clients' money that too changes over time with the various market environments. Let me take a step back for a moment. I say that we manage money a little bit differently from many financial advisors out there, and I will help to explain that in a bit. But I will say that as other advisors do, we believe in diversification and asset allocation. And those are big industry terms. What do those things mean? Let's take a step back and explain that. Let me walk into your closet with you. We walk into your closet, we take a look at your wardrobe and your attire. You've got a number of different things that you wear depending on the time of year, depending on the mood that you're in, whether or not you work outside of the house, what type of job you have, if you're in the medical field or not. So we have a varying degree of pieces of attire that suit our needs depending on the day. That is essentially diversification. So you've got a diversified portfolio, diversified wardrobe within your closet to where at any given point in time, whether it snows, rains, is sunny out, whether you need to rush to your kid's school to pick them up and need to hurry up and get out of your pajamas that you've been in all day, we have all of these things that suit our various needs throughout any given day within our closet. So that's diversification. When we take that a step further and explain asset allocation is really simply putting a percent on each of those types of clothing attire. So you got a wardrobe that consists of 100% of your style and the things that you need on a day-to-day basis or year over year. Then we break that down and say, okay, of you, the 100% of your closet, what percentage of that is towards winter clothes or clothes that keep you warm? What percentage of that is towards summer or spring clothes? What percentage of that is towards your lounge clothes or your work attire? And those percentages make up the whole. That's asset allocation. That's all it is it's putting a percentage on each of those, both broad and more detailed asset classes within your closet. So what do we do that's different than the guy down the street? So you may have heard industry terms like buy and hold, or on the opposite end of the spectrum, active portfolio management or technical managers. Let me help to break these down for you in our closet as well. A buy and hold investor or a financial planner who manages your money and assets based on a buy and hold methodology will walk into your closet with you and based on your lifestyle, based on where you live, help you determine what percent of your closet you want towards the winter clothes, the summer clothes, the work clothes, etc. And then they will tell you, stick with that strategy forever. There's really no need to change it. You'll have everything to suit your needs depending on the market environment and depending on what you do in your life. You've got something that can cover you. On the opposite end of the spectrum, an active investor or a financial planner who manages your money based on a more active portfolio management approach will walk into the closet with you on a regular basis and maybe set the same initial allocations as that buy and hold investor or advisor. But over time, they see that your needs change or that sometimes things go out of style. So an active advisor will walk into the closet with you on a regular basis and clean it out, help you to understand and know what you really need, what's bogging down your closet, what's weighing you down, what you can get rid of, and maybe bring some new things into the closet, things that are lift your spirits and are more in line with the things that you're doing today versus what you were doing 5 years ago. So we will continually go through that closet with you and ensure that we are wearing the things that best suit you. Let's take, for example, bell bottoms, right? Bell bottoms we had in our closets in the 70s, and they were very popular. Everyone wanted them. We wore them all the time. Over time, they gradually went out of style. Buy and hold investor would say, just keep them in the back of the closet. You never know when they're going to come back in style. Then you've already got them and you can wear them when they do, no matter how long it takes. An active investor will say, don't let that weigh you down, or don't let that make you feel disorganized or get in the way of the things that you really want to wear, that are in style or are in demand today. Get rid of those. And then when they come back in style, then bring them back into the closet. So that's just a quick way of sort of understanding the difference between a buy and hold investor and a more active investment management approach. We're seeing some things in the market today that are very similar to bell bottoms that are coming back in style after having been out of demand or out of style for a very, very long time. We're seeing some asset classes in the market that are coming back in style, in demand, meaning supply and demand is how we measure the movement of the markets. And we're seeing bell bottoms after many, many years of being out of style come back into style. And we're taking advantage of that in those asset classes that are now coming back into style and adding those in various portions depending on the client's risk level within the client portfolio to try to take advantage of those opportunities. If you'd like to learn more about our portfolio methodology, you can head to our website at arcfinancialwellness.com. Feel free to schedule a time to get together with us. I'm happy to walk through your closet with you, provide a second opinion on what you may want to keep and what you may want to go ahead and get rid of at this time. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or reach out to us. Thanks so much for listening and have a great day.